If you drive a Chevy Silverado and your cruise control's not working, you're not alone. Let's tackle the most common reasons, fast. First, check the basics. Is your cruise control button switched on? Sometimes it's as simple as that. Next, make sure your brake lights work. A blown brake light fuse or bulb can disable cruise control. Step on the brakes and check if the lights come on. If not, replace the fuse or bulb. Still out of luck? Check your brake pedal switch. If it's faulty, your Silverado will think you're braking, turning off cruise control. Listen for a click when you press the pedal. No click? That switch might need replacing. Also, look for warning lights on your dashboard. If you see a check engine light, your cruise control may be disabled. Get a scan tool or visit a mechanic to read any codes. Lastly, remember, aftermarket parts or recent repairs can sometimes mess with the system. If you've added new electronics or worked near the brake system, double-check those areas. There you have it, a quick step-by-step guide to get your Chevy Silverado's cruise control working again. If these tips don't solve it, a trusted mechanic is your next stop. Drive safe.